What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I will show you how to fix blurry fonts and make your text look sharper on your computer in just some few simple steps. So if you have a Windows computer and you're facing an issue where your text looks very blurry, this video might help you. So let's get started. So first of all, go to settings, or you can search settings over here. I'll go to systems, go to display. Now in display, make sure that you see the recommended, you choose the number which has the recommended beside it. So mine is 125. Yours may be 150. Based on the computer you are using, yours may be 100. So once you see the recommended beside it, try and select it. And the screen resolution, also the same. Choose the one with the recommended beside it. Yeah. So that is the first option. And now let's go to the second one. Now, secondly, we are going to go to the search option here and type adjust ClearType Text. Click on it and make sure turn on ClearType is ticked. Click on next. Make sure your display is selected. Click on next. And now here it is going to give you 5 options. So you would choose the text that looks clear for you. So personally, this one looks very clear for me. So you choose the one that looks clear to you. So click on next. You do same for this page as well. This one looks clear. Next. Do it another time. Choose the one that looks clear for you. Personally, I chose this one. Next. And the 4th time, I think this one looks clear for me. Yeah, next. Now this is the last stage. Next, yeah. So yeah, choose the one that looks very clear to you. So when you are done, you click on finish. Yeah. Now, thirdly, press on your Windows key plus R to give you the run window, or you can just right click on the Windows button and click on run. And now you type sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl. Click on OK. Now you go to the advanced tab. Click on the performance settings. Now it doesn't matter whatever you chose here. It doesn't matter whether you choose adjust for best performance, adjust for best appearance, or custom. You just have to ensure that this is ticked. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Just have to ensure that it is ticked. So once you've ticked the smooth edges of screen fonts, you just have to apply and click on OK. And then restart your computer